Greetings from Breezy Point and happy summer from the Atlantic Ocean. This is absolutely one of my favorite places to be in the summertime. They really have found a way to turn everything off and find that summer beach solitude while still being in New York City. Quite amazing. What an accomplishment. Here we're walking down Oceanside at Ocean Avenue. Ocean Avenue is where I grew up. Part of the reason why this feels like home. And I love these quaint streets, as indeed there are no cars on the street. There are cars that you can drive in, but for this area, just a walking path. To our right would be the Atlantic Ocean. To our left, you can get here by car, but you'd have to park in order to walk down Oceanside. See kids riding their bikes without having to look twice. Why? Because there's no cars. And we have the Atlantic Ocean on our right, Jamaica Bay on our left, and the Rockaway Peninsula itself is not an island, but it really feels like you are on an island when you're here. Runs about 12 miles long. Beach 9 is over by Nassau County, Lawrence, New York, and then you come to the very tip of Breezy Point and you can see Coney Island. Actually, it's a clear day today, and I was able to see the tip of the Cyclone roller coaster, as well as go swimming at Breezy Point. There actually is a tip, and beautiful place for swimming. And that is a quick walk through in the borough of Queens, New York. Happy summer from Breezy Point.